How to use advanced features of Canva AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can use Canva AI's advanced features. So let's get started. First step, what you'll need to do is open up Canva. So let's head over to canva.com, and after you're there, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're logged in, what you'll need to do is at the left hand side, if you scroll down, you'll find Canva AI. You can head over to Canva AI to go and see what Canva AI can do. So right here, you can see you can describe an idea and it will bring it to life as it says. And what you can do is you can create an image, draft a document. You can even ask Canva to code for you and many other options. So if you scroll down here, you can see a lot of different options what that Canvas offer, and you can actually just create a lot of different things using Canva AI. Now there is another place, let me just write canva/magic, and if you head over to canva.com/magic, it will take you to Canva's Magic Studio. So Canva's Magic Studio is basically all of Canva AI but in a single place, bringing all of the tools by Canva in a single place. You can head over to the features section right here and check out what Canva AI offers you. So there you can see you can basically even code with Canva now. You can ask them to simply create a website for you and many other options. So let's just open one of those up. So there you can see it's a photo. There is a photo editor, background generator, and many other. So there are several features which are only available for the pro users, so you will have to pay for them. So just scroll and check what you want. So let's just head over to Canva AI for now and ask it to code. Let's tap on code for me, and after you select code for me, what you can do is create a web page for my dog shelter. And after I give it the idea, it will start creating the website for me. Now, as it can take some time, it starts coding for you. As you can see how many lines it has already coded. So yeah, these are the features, and it's not only limited to that. As you can see in canva.com/magic, you can get a lot of different features again. And yeah, you can also check out the pricing from here. You can tap on pricing, and there you can see how much it costs. So you can see Canva Pro costs about $55 for a year for a single person, and again for teams it's $50 per year, minimum 3 people. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you use Canva's AI's features and advanced features. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.